Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have Holden Trax Stock Reference number 5834. This shape ran from the 8th of 2014 to the 12th of 2020. It has a TJ Series 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our TJ Series 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Our factory alloy mag wheel, 16-inch rim, dead tyre, left hand mirror, left front door, no dents, left rear door, no dents, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, bad tyre, left hand taillight, tailgate, no dents, right hand taillight, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, right rear door, no dents, right front door, no dents, right hand mirror, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, no tyre, right front door trim, master switch, center console, gear stick, heater controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.